How to make everyone can follow you on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can follow you on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and go down, click settings, and here you will find followers and public content. Click on it, and here you will find it public. Click on it, and after you click on it, just go back, click on public and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.